welcome back to my channel Mom and Baby. If you are watching me for the first time, you are most welcome. Please join our Mom and Baby family by subscribing our channel and also hitting the bell icon below so that you won't miss any of our future videos. Without further ado, let's jump into the video. One of the developmental and health benefits for both mother and baby is to take baby out for a walk outside. Enjoying a walk with your baby is a great way to get out of the house and on the road to regain the shape you were in before your pregnancy. It's a great to restore your physical fitness, energize your mood, and connect you and your baby with nature. Benefits of getting outside with your baby. Exercise. All the mummies want to regain the shape and size they were in before pregnancy. But sometimes it takes so long to come back to the same posture. As a new mom, especially if you have delivered your baby with C-section like me, you are unable to do any sorts of exercises for up to 6 months. During this time and even after, you can go for a walk with your baby in order to lose weight. Walking for a little bit each day really helped me to lose weight as the weeks ticked by. You can get your recommended amount of physical activity by walking briskly for 30 minutes per day. You can break that up into sessions of 10 minutes or more. For weight loss, it's best to walk for 30 to 60 minutes continuously most of the days of the week. I was able to reduce my weight of around 10 kgs in 4 months just by walking and drinking a healthy or nourishing drink for which I have already prepared the video. I will link that video in the description box below, so if you are interested, don't forget to check that one out. As I recovered more and built on my fitness, I could walk for longer too. It was free exercise, no gym fees, and meant I could get a bit of exercise with my baby rather than have to leave her. Fresh air. Being cooped up in the house wasn't good for either me or my baby. It's age-old advice that getting fresh air lifts your mind, and it really did for me. Encouraging sleep. This one worked in 2 ways. Firstly, I would always try and time my walks for the times in the day I wanted to encourage my baby to sleep. It meant that while we were out, the movement of pram, the fresh air, and the noise of the traffic and others helped lull my baby to sleep instead of me having to place the room and rock her until she did. Secondly, the exercise also helped me sleep better too. Whilst I found it hard to find the time to sleep, I felt that when I did, it was much deeper sleep, so I felt more refreshed when I got up. Feel less stressed. Probably a combination of all of the above, but walking every day for me gave me a purpose and a routine. I had been so used to having a set routine for many years. The early month of motherhood can be quite chaotic, as they were for me at the time anyway. I loved having a plan each day to go for a walk, and I felt a real sense of achievement for all the reasons above when I got time. If I had gotten some errands completed, fresh air, got my baby to sleep, or met some lovely locals, then I came home feeling so much less stressed and more positive that I was doing a good job as a new mom. Quality time with your baby. If, like many, you are dealing with some challenges to your mental well-being in this postnatal period, some outdoor time will definitely help to ease its effects. There truly is no better care than nature, and the boost will help you enjoy the quality time with your baby. When it comes to supporting your new baby's development, things you may think of as simple are often the most effective. A sensory experience for the baby. Babies are the most curious creatures in the world because everything is so new to them. The simplest stroll can feel like an exciting journey. A walk outside provides a chance to explore and learn more about their surroundings, such as from the vibrant colors of the flowers and the cool breeze to the surroundings of creeping birds and the fresh smell of the leaves. But more than being a fantastic way to spend time stimulating their senses, heading outdoor also provides a wealth of benefit for your baby's cognitive development. In fact, the outdoor sensory experience can promote early language development compared to spending time indoors. Simply taking your baby as a walk and describing some of the things you are seeing and experiencing will really enhance the benefits of your walk. It also helps to develop your baby's motor skills because they have an environment that continually changes. Their brain is steadily getting information which forms their synapses and gives them contrast of all sorts of outdoor and indoor objects. To conclude, while it is recommended to speak to your family doctor before taking on heavier fitness routines, walking is a great gateway to keep moving and promote family time together outside. When you spend time outside, you are helping your baby sleep, reducing your stress, exposing elements and sensory items to them as well. Moms who walk with their partner and their baby find it a time to connect, to build the family, and to unwind from a day at home or work. It's a natural way to build your relationship and have time for conversation while the baby is along for the ride. It's a great way to spend time together as a family.
If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also share this video to your friends, family, relatives, colleague and or whoever you think they will find this useful, because I believe sharing is caring. Until we meet in our next video, take care and bye bye.